Local news for Tuesday, the 10th of March. The second round of Community Hui on the development of a stronger, more sustainable Māori economy it will take place today in Featherston. Greater Wellington Regional Council Senior Māori Economic Development Advisor Te Puratanga Jeffries says the Hui will contribute to building a strategy that will enable greater self-determination for Māori in developing prosperous communities region-wide. The Wairarapa Piki Peer Support Group is being launched today. A presentation on peer support will take place at Aratoi, 2:30 on Bruce Street in Masterton. Greater Wellington has established a public transport advisory group to provide consumer advice to inform Metlink businesses and transport committees. Applicants must be 16 years or older, with applications closing on the 1st of April. And the Wairarapa Bush Rugby referees will hold their AGM tonight, 7 p.m. at the referee rooms at Trust House Memorial Park. And the Wairarapa Intercollegiate Athletics are on today from 10:30 at the Colin Pugh Sports Bowl. And good luck to the some 360 athletes that are taking part. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.